Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting this whole little, I guess we can call it a series, because your girl went very ham on the Ulta 10 times support for the foundation event. If y'all seen that haul, you know what I'm talking about. I will definitely link that down at the bottom, but I bought a lot of foundations, and I also have foundations in my drawer that I bought this year that I have yet to try or even do like a wear test on. So I'm going to be including that on top of the already big order that I did with Ulta as well. So we're doing foundation wear test. Okay, so this is the beginning of it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but this is the beginning of it. I will be wearing and trying out every foundation that I bought this year alone, because they need to get their recognition. They need to get returned if they're not doing what they're supposed to do and all the other good jazz. But we're starting off because my co-workers was bragging on how amazing this product is and that I should try it, and they want me to come into work and just, you know, just give them my little tea on it. So I do have work today, so I was like, okay, this is the perfect time for me to try this out. But I'm also nervous because I do not like trying out a foundation when I have to be somewhere. Like, I like to try it out at home in safe zone, but we're trying her out these streets, so let's give it a go. Yes, this is going to be the first wear test of the foundation series. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. First of all, I never wore a skin tint before, so I don't know if this is like a form of foundation or if it's just going to tint the skin just a little bit. I don't feel like I need that much coverage when it comes to my foundation, but I like a good coverage, if you know what I mean, because it just completes the whole look when I do my eyeshadows and stuff like that. So I thought they did not have my shade because I did the foundation shade match on the Ulta website and it said, sorry, couldn't find anything for you, sis. And then I also went inside the store and I still felt like this was really not my shade, but yeah. But everyone was at work, yes, just go ahead and try it, blah, 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 blah. So let me go ahead and grab my color corrector because I feel like she might be a little more chocolate than expected. Like, I don't know what to expect. I just know that I see a lot of glitters and golds in here, which is very terrifying for someone who has oily combo skin. So let me get the best products that's gonna make this work, down to the primaries, powders. Let me grab that and let's get started. All right, so on the Ulta website, this is coming in at a 4.4 ranking already, and this thing is brand spanking new, and that's with 44 reviews. So that's kind of high expectation and good reviews for this product, being that it's new. And 44 is a good number for people coming in, you know, a rate and stuff like that. But I'm like, is she oily combo good though? Because I have oily combo. I tend to get very oily in my T-zone, especially when I wear makeup. Like, I get really oily. It's like, okay, it's time to battle whatever NESHA got on her face, because we're about to make her shine bright like a diamond. So all right, so this retails pretty pricey for a drugstore foundation, I think, in my opinion, but I think the prices of foundations in general are just changing, because I remember drugstore foundation being like $8, $10, but no, this bad boy is $17.99. She's still not the $40 market for the high-end foundation, but she's still pretty pricey, I think, for a drugstore. So $17.99. This foundation is coming in 18 shades available on the Ulta website. I got the shade 372, so let me see how many more shades is it after me. So I'm like towards the ending of the melanin complexion, so there's going to be 2 more shades available after this shade. So if you're someone deeper than me, hey sis, they got something for you, hopefully. And then there's going to be maybe 1 or 2 more shades above me that's going to be in the melanin complexion. So I'm like split right down in the middle, if the shade matches me. All right, so let me read a little bit more about what this product is supposed to do. It says to turn up your skin. Okay, Maybelline getting all high. Turn up your skin. Turn up your skin with the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint plus a vitamin C. This long wear skin tint delivers skin-like coverage and a natural radiant finish while resisting sweat, humidity, and fading. I didn't know it was gonna do all the. Okay, now I'm really excited because you can sweat. The humidity out here is ridiculous. And fading, let's go. Let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, even with me having oily skin, I still like to moisturize my skin because I think that's very important. So I'll be moisturizing my skin with the Pearless. I don't know if I still have a coupon code with this brand. If I do, I'll still leave it at the bottom. If I don't, sorry if it's discontinued, but this product is good. I'm almost out, so I will be rebuying this. Oh my god, it feels so good every time I put her on. I'm like, yes, you're amazing. Now I'm gonna go in with a setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with the BH spray. And then my primer choice today is going to be the Milk Mattifying Primer. And this is why I also like to moisturize, because I tend to go for mattifying primers, being that I'm oily combo. So sometimes these mattifying primers be sucking up all my natural oils. So I just think it's good to, you know, put a little bit of moisture back to your skin, give it a little TLC, so that way it won't feel too dry to the point where it feels like painful. Because I've had some primers that felt very painful, and I didn't, you know, moisturize it. It just felt very like dry. Like you can feel your skin like overly dry. And then you have to wait for all your oils to kick in and break down that dryness feel. And I just don't like that. So, all right. And then I'm going to add eyeshadow primer, because y'all know I got really, really bad smile lines. All right. I'm going to shake her up because I feel like she needs to. I'm shaking her up because all of the radiance glow that's going on in this bottle. I'm so nervous, you guys. I'm like, don't do me wrong, product. Do not do me wrong. All right, let's see. Ooh, it actually don't look that dark in person now that I took her out. Let me just do a couple of drops. Oh, there's nothing dropping. Okay, let's squeeze it again. Let's see. She's not that watery either. She's taking a while to go down. Okay, I think this might be my actual shade. Shall we try? I think this is my shade. Okay, all right, a couple of drops on the skin. I want to add one more layer because my cautious self is like, is it enough coverage? You gotta make sure this face is blending with that neck, honey. So I'm just taking a brush and just brushing that in. Do y'all see this? It's a nice coverage. Obviously, it covered up my white smile line right here. The skin looks radiant, but not in a bad way. But this is the beginning. But Maybelline, I think you did something here. I think you did. Because it feels so light on my skin to where I don't feel anything. But it gave the coverage, which I'm trying to figure out how, because it felt so thin on the skin and it's a tint. But it's giving me full coverage vibes in a sense, but not the thickness of the full coverage. Like, make it make sense, Maybelline. How did you do this? The skin looks radiant. Okay, the proof is in the ending. The proof is in the ending, okay? It looks really good right now, but do you hold up to what your other standard said? The humanity, the fading, the sweat. Can you hold up to an oily combo girl? I don't know, but let me go ahead and finish up the face, because now I'm feeling a little excited because she looks like my skin. Is this a win? So it's definitely giving me healthy glow skin. Like, y'all can't tell me that I have foundation on right now. Like, this looks like my legit skin. Let's continue. Okay, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face because I'm doing a tutorial on the eyes. Y'all know me. Gotta get these contents in. So I'll be right back. Y'all see the skin? Y'all see the skin, right? Y'all see the skin? Okay, I'm gonna do 3 check-ins today because I'm on my way to go get my nails done. So it is 10:39. I'll be back probably in about 2 hours to get these nails redid, and we'll come back and see how she sits. And if she sits really good, then we're wearing her to work. So I'll be right back. I'm speechless. The face looks good. Y'all, I left, came back, did everything, got my nails done. 2 hours later, this is what she's giving. I haven't even touched her up. Wow. Okay, it is 2:33. I'll be back later on tonight to give you guys the fullness of her because she is beautiful. Wow. Okay, Maybelline. Y'all, I got so excited because I'm over here doing a review on Instagram. In here, I forgot that I didn't even show you guys the comeback of the results because I've been updating on there. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do so because you guys see the review before I put it on here. I'm just saying, sorry sis. Sorry, but anywho, okay, so I already blotted one side, and clearly you can see one side that's not blotted, but you can barely see the difference. Wait till y'all see the time stamp, honey. This is going to surprise you guys. I did not think I was going to leave it on this long, but I knew I had a long day. Put this on at what, 10 something this morning. It is 11:54 p.m. at night. 5.5-ish minutes left, and it's about to be the next day. This has been on, if I'm doing the math correctly, 13.5 hours. I'm gonna just round it off and say 14 hours this foundation has been on. And it said the longevity of this is supposed to be a 24-hour tint. I think this will last for 24 hours. I mean, I'm not gonna leave my face on for the 24 hours. I mean, 14 hours is enough, but I am so impressed. So impressed. And it was so hot today. The highest today was 110s. Yes, we was in the 110s today. So this is what the girl gave me. Maybelline, let me finish blotting the rest of my face. I think I found a new foundation. I think this is going to get pushed to the #1 spot. Urban Decay's coming in #2. Oh my gosh. Urban Decay's coming in #2. Y'all know that's my holy grail favorite foundation, but I think it's been replaced. I hate saying it out loud, but I really think it has. Like, and it's cheaper than my Urban Decay. Oh my gosh. Radiant. It's not even a matte, y'all. This is not a matte skin tint. It's a radiant effect in it. And my face look at this. It look good. Let me finish blonde. I'm impressed. I am very much so impressed. I don't have any extra powder on the sponge. I'm just using whatever was left on here from this morning. Y'all, look at this face. You cannot tell me my face don't look the same. The fading, it was definitely correct. My face looked brand spanking new. I got so many compliments today. I was just like, yes. I was so proud. I was like, girl, let me show you what I got on my face. They was like, girl, Maybelline. I was like, Maybelline, let's find your shade. Let's find your shade. Yes. Maybelline is doing her damn thing. I had to mess up here. Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? Okay. Y'all, when I say go run and see if you can find your shade, because the shade selection, I will be honest, it's not that good. But Maybelline, if you happen to be watching, or people may have contacted you and said this, please open up the shade ranges with this, because you have something amazing on your hands. This is probably going to be your #1 foundation. I haven't even tried all your formula, but I don't even want to, but I think this is the girl. This is her. This might be the drugstore foundation of the year. Yes. So I'll be back soon with another foundation review. Y'all seen the haul. It's a lot going on in there. So I'm excited to see what else I get to play with. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Y'all let me know your opinions and thoughts on this foundation. Have you guys tried it? What do y'all feel about it? Is she a good one? Sis, she's a good one. Lighting from outdoors, from at work, from the grocery store. Like it's my skin. It's my freaking skin. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys then. This is amazing, y'all. Wow.